Section D, question number 11. Be attentive. The following information, this is a short question. If you remember, I told you yesterday that formulas 4, 5 and 6 will be used in long questions as well as short questions. Previous one what we did where workings were to be made, they were long questions, will be for 5 marks in exams. Last 3 questions what we have done, they will have weightage of 5 marks. And this ones what we are doing now will have weightage of 2 or 3 marks. Direct formula is to be applied, workings are not required. See that? The following information is obtained for 9 pairs of observation. What is 9? And right now, sigma x 51. See, it's directly given. Earlier we calculated and now it is directly given. So write down sigma x equals to 51, sigma y is equal to 72, sigma x square, yes, Simran and Rudra, what is the confusion? Sigma x square equals to 315, sigma y square is equal to 582 and sigma xy 408. Find correlation coefficient. One more thing, in exams when they mention only correlation coefficient, it always means Karl Pearson's. In Spearman's they will always mention either Spearman or rank. Either they mention the word Spearman or they mention the word rank. Nothing is mentioned when you have to find Karl Pearson's. Did you write this information? So all the values are directly given. The formula which we discussed right now, directly that formula is to be applied. Okay, write down. R is equal to n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon square root n sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into square root n sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Did you all write the formula? Everyone? Now, Namrata, put the values. N is 9 into sigma xy is 408. Do you all get this? Minus sigma x is 51 into sigma y is 72 upon square root. Please don't speak in between. N is 9 into sigma x square, all of you can see is 315 minus sigma x, that is 51 whole square into square root. N is again 9 into sigma y square is 582 minus sigma y 72 whole square. Sit down. Is everyone clear with that? Raise your hand who did not understand the substitution of values. Further. 9 into 408 3672, 51 into 72 also 3672 upon 9 into 315 2835, 51 square 2601 into square root of 9 into 582 is 5238 minus 72 square 5184. Sit down. Now 0 is the answer. 3672 minus 3672, 0 divided by anything? 0. What would you interpret for this? No linear correlation. And if you mention simply no correlation, 0 marks. Okay, you should mention no linear. And whenever answer comes 0, interpretation compulsory. Always write it down. So mention it below that. Thus there is no linear correlation between x and y. So all of you have understood this will be for 2 to 3 marks and previously what we did would be for 5 marks where calculations are also involved. Look at question number 10. Be attentive. The following data is available for 2 variables, rainfall in mmx. Now we don't have to denote it, it's already denoted as x. And yield of crop quintal per hectare y, it's already denoted as n is equal to 10, x bar is equal to 120, y bar is equal to 150, sx is equal to 30, sy is equal to 40 and sigma xy is equal to 1,89,000. Okay, now don't raise your voice. You raise only your hands. Take out the formulas. 6 formulas are there. Raise your hand. Look at these figures and tell me, out of the 6, which formula will be used? Third one. Speak out the third formula.
R is equal to sigma xy.
Now see here, R equals to sigma xy. Is it given? Yes. Further. Minus n. Is it given? Yes.
X bar.
Into x bar is also given.
Into y bar.
Into y bar is also given.
Upon n.
Upon n is given.
Into sx.
Into sx is given. into SY is given. Very good. Is everyone clear with this? So you have to apply any of the 6 formulas in short questions, and how will you decide looking at the information given? And what is necessary for that? Remember the 6 formulas. That's why I gave you 20 times. Okay, until you remember the 6 formulas, you will not be able to identify which one is to be used. So write down 50 times you divide this one. R equals to sigma xy minus n x bar y bar upon n into sx into sy. Mohit put the figure 000. Sigma xy is 1,89,000, n is 10, into x bar is 120, y bar is 150, upon n is again 10, sx is 30, and sy is 40. Sit down. Is everyone clear with this? So 1,89,000 minus 1,80,000, 10 into 120 into 150, 1,80,000 divided by 12,000, 10 into 30 into 40, 9,000 divided by 12,000, 0.75.
Yes.
Is every one of you clear with this? High degree of positive correlation if it is asked. So all of you are clear with this small values questions what we have done today.